Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy at your place. So kids, how's your weekend? I hope it was pretty good. Yes. Have you all gone through the videos on daily basis? Very nice. Kids, make sure that all the concepts till now should be clear. Today we'll discuss about one more interesting topic and the topic related to the mathematics. Yes, the topic is place value. Right. Kids, have you remembered place value we have done in grade 2 as well? Right. Now who will tell me what is place value? Yes. Place value is a value which defines the position of particular digit in a number. Very good. This means we can easily find out the position of a digit in number system. For example, if I am saying 72. Now, who will tell me what is the place value of 7 in this number 72? Yes, the place value of 7 is 70 here as 7 is in the position of tens. Very nice. So kids, today I will show you one thing and I guess you all must remember what I have. So what's it? Remember? Yes, these are Dienes blocks. Right. So kids, this small block represents the value for ones. Remember? Yes. Now, if you talk about this rod, yes, it represents the value for tens. Very nice. And we have this flat. So this square flat represents the value for 100. So if we talk about the place values by using Dienes block, we can say that this square represents the value of ones. This rod represents the value of tens. This flat square represents the value of hundreds. Right. But today in our session we learn about one more value and that is thousands. So kids, in our this session we'll learn about the concept of thousand. You know kids, we have this block and this block represents the value of thousands in Dienes block. So kids, without wasting time, let's just continue with the concept thoroughly. So come on and join me. So kids, now let's begin with the concept of place value quickly. First place value we have here is ones. Next is tens. Now the next one is hundreds and here we have thousands. Kids, all these are the place values. We use these values to represent the position for a particular digit in a number and we call it as place value. Let's represent the number for ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 blocks we have. Now the next one is 10. Remember kids, we have to use only one digit numbers for ones. Right. And now we will be representing 10 ones is equal to 1 10. Focus here kids, here we have 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Right. Now we have 20 ones which is equal to 2 tens, that is 20. Right. Now let's have 30 ones. Kids, 10, 20, 30. Here we have 30 ones which is equal to 3 tens, that is 30. 40 ones, that is 4 tens is equal to 40. Right. If we add here 10 more ones, then we got 50 ones is equal to 5 tens. 60 ones is equal to 6 tens, that is 60. So kids, now we have to follow the same procedure with the rest of numbers, that is rest of tens as well. So we have to do the same procedure till the 10 tens. Right. So now let's have a look at how ones value correlate with the value of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here we have tens value. Total 10 tens is there which is equal to 100 ones. Right. Now let's count the value for tens. Yes. Total we have here 10 tens, that is the value of 100. Now let me show you kids how these rods of tens is being equal to the value of 100. Let's have a look to that. These 10 tens is equal to 100. Remember that these 10 tens always equals to the value of 100. Now as you can see here, this is the value of 100, and here we have all three values, that is ones, tens and 100. 200 is equal to 20 tens, right, and 200 ones. Now here we have 300, yes, here we have 400. Now let's have a look to the values of 400, 500, next we have 600, now 700, next one is 800, another one is 900. Yes kids, remember that as you reach the value for 900, we have to enter it into the next place value, that is our thousands value. When we reach up to the 900, then for 1000 we have to reach to the next place value, that is 1000, right. So you can see that these 10 hundreds always equals to the 1000s value, right, as you can even observe here also. Now let's quickly have a look to all the place values togetherly. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds, and this 1000 even also is equal to 100 tens, and even this 1000 also is equal to 1000 ones. So kids, I hope that the concept is clear to you now. Now what you have to do kids, you have to make a kit for dance block and have a magical play with numbers. I hope that this dance blocks kit will help you out to learn more about place values. So kids, that's all for today. Now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.